In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone alarm tone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Alarm app and then just get into some alarm, just like that. That's where you can easily find sound. Tap on it, and here you can change alarm tone for that particular alarm simply by clicking at any ringtone from that list, just like that. And once the ringtone is checkmarked, it means that it is already set as a current ringtone for that alarm. Also, you can go to Tone Store and then you can purchase some specific music or a ringtone or some melody, and then you will be able to set it as alarm tone for any alarm. And that's also where you can find an option which is called None. So if you select None, that will turn off the alarm tone for that particular alarm. That's how you can easily change iPhone alarm. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.